going on, everyone? Matt Wildcard, and we are back at it with map 4. So again, I know a hard start, but nothing you can't handle. Not a real crazy hot start. That was a little hot. Get in this little hidey hole. Take out the shotgunner. Gather up some shotgun ammo. Alright, there we go. Oh, he's killing some people for us, that's good. I like to run and get this real quick. Didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to. Yes, that's an archvile. Try to get these Caco demons in the Arachnotron to fight. This wants to work too well for me. Oh well, we'll kill them ourselves. We get a pretty decent amount of ammo here. Let's take out these Mancubus just so they don't, hit us while we're fighting. Save some of that ammo, but oh well. We won't be hurting that much for it. That's good. I'm fine with that. Oh, we got some little guys, but we're alright. We'll make it. Job, Arachnotron. Ow. Ah, come on, get me inside. Get me inside. Get me inside. Ugh. Go heal up. Go heal up real quick. That was rough. That was a little too rough. I think there's some health up here too. Definitely didn't want it to get that sticky. Alright. The damn rockets. Alright, let's hurry up and kill these guys. Start collecting some ammo because, of course, it's a heat-seeking missile. And of course, it's going to probably hit us. Alright. There we go. Alright, let's go kick some ass. There we go. It's kind of easy to duck them. Just be careful, because they can go down pretty quick. Can clip you. Alright, so here, I don't know if this is the intended way, but okay, so don't collect the red key. Just go in here and collect all the items. I don't want to collect those shotguns yet. And you should spawn in, yeah. Perfect. That archvile, which we want to probably take care of first. That's not good. Alright, so now we're in a little bit of that spot right now. Let's see if we can try and get some health back. Sometimes I wish I just could take my practice runs. But it's alright, we can manage. We can survive. Alright. So we'll be getting a Mega Sphere, or Soul Sphere pretty soon here. Alright, here we go. So we're about to get a Caco Cloud. And a Mancubus. Whoa, that cool. Did you see that rocket? Oh, this one wasn't too bad. I managed it a lot better this time around. That's good. Save some rockets. I don't think I killed them all. Don't tell me like one clipped. Okay. There we go. Alright, so now let's go ahead and make our way to the red key door. Unlock that. Go. Feel like I'm hearing a Caco still. Oh, okay, there he is. Hello. Alright, so how you were supposed to know this? I don't even know why I thought to do this. This is ridiculous. Like, I don't even know how you were supposed to think to do that. I really don't. I just got lucky. I swear I got lucky. Alright, so what we're gonna do is this real quick. Crap. It's alright, once you open this, it's good. So you want to time it. Ah, crap. Because there's a plasma rifle we can get. Ah, see, you saw that door open. Alright, now. Ah, damn it. There we go. Yep, there you go. Now we got ourselves a plasma rifle, which is nice. Don't get really many cells for it, but hey, it's a nice, probably kill ourselves a monster or two. And yeah, I guess that's supposed to be like the thing to let you know that there's a door you can open. I don't know. So I think this is a booby trap. Yeah, so just kind of back out. Water machine gun. Alright, so once you go down that lift, you're screwed. So you gotta get ready. So I'm gonna get my rocket launcher ready. Whew, here we go. Just kind of beeline it up here. And get yourself in a nice little hidey hole if you can. Alright. And I don't think some of these guys can come down, so you're good to just kill the Baron. Alright. We're good. There we go. And we'll just have to shotgun these guys. Actually, then there's some rockets. Yep. Alright. Good. Ah, damn it. Alright. I mean, I was in due for a face scam pretty soon here, so, you know, kinda asked for that. Alright, where's that secret? Oh yeah, secret right here. Ah, crap. go. Definitely much needed, as we're going to be facing an arch file the end of this, so need to be ready for that. All right. There's no one else. Get a good rocket or shotgun. Wow, Matt. Wow. 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 I wanted to end with style, guys. That's my excuse. All right, that's the end of the level. A good flying bird. Yes, indeed. 101 kills. We went above and beyond. All right, so Sarah Mancuso, I believe I said that right. She's the lead developer, or for like most of it. She kind of helps out with all of it. So guys, big round of applause to her, because she came up with the like the level design, the texture pack, and she came up with a lot of that kind of stuff. So she's the lead developer. Shout out to everyone for Back to Saturn X. If I don't do it, I definitely have enjoyed this. I like this a lot. It was a lot of fun. Definitely feel like a big crisis was going on in the tech lab. Anyways, for the song, I rate it I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7. It was good, but it wasn't great. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.